Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can take screenshot of a Zoom meeting on Windows. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I have created a virtual meeting on my Zoom meeting and I'm going to show you how we can take screenshot of this meeting. If we want to take screenshot, we can use our keyboard. You can press the Windows button and the print screen button at the same time. I'm going to practice it. Press the Windows and print screen like this. And the screenshot has been taken. Okay, and there is another way to take screenshot of our Zoom meeting. We can use the snipping tool application on our window. You can search for the snipping tool on your Windows. Okay, and select this camera icon. Then you're going to click on new and then you can select the screenshot area like this. Okay, then you're going to save it. Just click on the save button and then you can save it to your device like this. Okay, and the screenshot will be saved in the screenshot folder. Wait guys, I'm going to open up my device and I'm going to open the pictures. Okay, then these screenshots will be saved right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to take screenshot of a Zoom meeting. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.